Hello everybody, please welcome to the Hodo Medical Mask Factory. Come with me. This is a medical mask workshop and I will show you everything. Come. Hodo Group has worked in the medical industry for long years. And we not only cooperate with many enterprise companies, but also we work with government. The quality is high qualified. As you can see, this is a medical mask workshop. Every employee should wear the uniform while working, and all these workshops are sterile. Through this glass, we can see all the production process, and the capacity of this workshop is 1,200,000 pieces per day. And so far, we have shipped these medical masks to France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and many other European countries. So, if you need this, please come for us. Our Hodo Group will provide you with the best quality medical mask. Bye.